Hey there, Bonita National fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and we are taking a look at Lennar's inventory home. This is one of the Princeton floor plans in the Manor series. This one is available along with 4 other homes for end of fiscal year savings that Lennar puts on, close before the end of November. This home here comes with over $50,000 in savings, not only off the price, but in closing cost incentives. The Princeton here, part of the Manor series, you get a 3-car garage, impact windows and doors. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, just under 2,250 square feet in this floor plan here. As you walk in, the home opens up into your foyer area with your dedicated dining space or seating area right here off to the left. You can see in the background that opens up to your great room area and the kitchen. And then directly behind me to the right of the front door are your guest bedrooms. You have 2 guest bedrooms over here. All the rooms will come with window coverings. You'll have 2-inch full wood blinds, wood shelving in the closets. You have this beautiful wood light tile spread throughout the entire home. There's no carpet here whatsoever, which is fantastic. You do have this guest bath separating the 2 guest bedrooms up front here. And here's your second guest bedroom here. Again, you can see you have the 2-inch forward blinds. All these homes come installed with the blinds. And again, the wood shelving in the closets, really nice feature. Now coming out into this main area again, we're going to go right past your dedicated dining space. And this is where you're going to get your 3rd guest bedroom right here. Nice sized guest bedrooms. And this piggybacks right off the laundry space here, which comes with additional cabinetry, your utility sink, full appliance package, including the washer dryer that you just saw there. And then you have your 3-car garage, and notice you do have epoxy flooring on the garage floor, which is great as well. And garage openers included on all these homes. As we come out of the laundry area, we come out into the great room space. Probably where you're going to spend most of your time between here and the kitchen. Full appliance package again. Pantry, eating kitchen area. You've got a nice doorway here leading out into your lanai. The nicest part about this home is the open layout here where everybody's part of the conversation. Beautiful recessed ceiling there as well. And if we walk directly straight across, you're going to come into the master bedroom. Again, no carpet here in this home. Beautiful window looking out into your lake view here at Bonita National. This home here, the floor plan, has one of the largest closets. This thing is huge right here in the master. Definitely no shortage of space. And you have your master bath here with your separate vanities, soaking tub, standalone shower, glass enclosed. You do also have a linen closet here and the private commode right here as well. And coming back out into the master, you do have a door leading out to the pool area, which is really nice. Easy access there. And then out in your lanai space, you'll see the pool and spa package this home has, along with the summer kitchen and beautiful views overlooking the lake here at Bonita National. This home is available for sale. It's one of only 5 homes that are available now through November that would be ready for you. This home, as I mentioned before, has over $50,000 in savings off the price and closing cost incentives. If you're interested in this home or any other home here in Bonita National, you can call me, Roberto, 239-671-4046. You can also email me, Roberto at BonitaNationalCC.com. That's Roberto at bonitanationalcc.com. For all the latest and greatest information about Bonita National, you can visit us on the web, bonitanationalcc.com. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property Group, and we'll talk to you soon.